Welcome back to our Hong Kong journey. Today, we leave the skyscrapers behind to explore the city's soaring peaks and serene islands. We begin with the legendary Peak Tram, a gravity-defying journey that's been thrilling visitors for over a century. From the summit, the city looks like a miniature world, a dense forest of glass cradled by the mountains. Just steps from the bustle, the air turns cool, and the city noise fades into the rustle of tropical leaves. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we set sail for Lantau, the city's largest outlying island and a haven of spiritual and natural beauty. The Ngong-Ping 360 cable car offers a bird's-eye view of the rugged landscape as we ascend toward the mountains. And there it is, the Tiantan Buddha. At 34 meters tall, it is a magnificent symbol of harmony. 268 steps lead to the top, a symbolic climb toward peace and enlightenment. The expression is one of pure serenity, watching over the island and the people below with compassion. Beside the Buddha sits the Po Lin Monastery, a vibrant center of Buddhist culture and architecture. The air here is fragrant with incense and quiet prayers, a world away from the financial district's pace. Finally, we journey to the edge of the island to Tai O, a traditional fishing village where time seems to stand still. These stilt houses, known as Pang Uk, have been the home of the Tanka people for generations. The local market is famous for its salted fish and shrimp paste, keeping the village's maritime heritage alive. A slow boat ride through the canals reveals the intimate details of daily life on the water. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the rare Chinese white dolphins in the surrounding waves. As the sun sets over the South China Sea, the island's beaches offer a final moment of tranquility. But Hong Kong's nature isn't just on the islands. Trails like the Dragon's Back offer world-class hiking within reach of the city. The contrast between the rugged mountains and the Emerald Sea is what makes this landscape so unique. In the northeast, Sai Kung's Emerald Islands and volcanic rock formations wait to be discovered. In Part 3, we'll return to the streets to explore the rich culture, festivals, and the hidden local life that makes Hong Kong truly one of a kind. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thank you for watching.